northern Oman to witness rainfall over next 2 days. March 16, 2019, 11:20 a.m. by Times News Service. Northern Oman to witness sporadic rainfall. Muscat, the northern region of the Sultanate, will continue to experience bouts of rain for the next 2 days, Public Authority for Civil Aviation said. According to Oman's meteorology authority, sporadic and at times thunderous rains will continue to fall over the northern governorates of the Sultanate during the next 2 days, Sunday, March 17 and Monday, March 18, less than previous page and next page greater than.